Be here with KCL Creations. Welcome back to our channel. In this video here we have a 2024 Rivian R1T. It has a large impact right here in the left quarter panel. This particular dent here, we've got 4 areas to deal with. We have a buckle right here on the left, a buckle on the right, body contour line, and an edge of panel. We're going to start this dent using glue pull method, where we fasten these glue tabs to the panel and then we pull them, trying to sculpt this from the outside. We're going to use knockdowns. Here we're using a rubber tip knockdown so we can tap down the highs that are in this area here as we're sculpting this. And in doing so, we're putting some of the tension back into the dent where the metal's been displaced. We're just slowly moving it back into its positions. So this is kind of a rinse and repeat method where we'll place multiple glue tabs, we'll pull them, and then we'll go in and we'll knock the highs down. A lot of this we're trying to do from the outside right now, so we can minimize how much we have to do with the rods pushing from the inside. Now that we've finished everything from the outside, we're going to disassemble the back of this vehicle and take this rear bumper off. This involves taking both left and right quarter flares off in order for us to gain access to the bolts that hold it in place. Once we get the bumper off, we see here, shown with this arrow, this large hole from the factory, which will gain us access with our rods to work upward like I'm doing here in order to gain access to that dent. Here's a sped up version showing us pushing and manipulating the metal from the inside to massage all that displaced metal back into place in order for us to get this smooth, flat, and all the structural rigidity back into this. Once again, this is what it was when we started. If you remember, it was this baseball-sized dent here. This is what we were able to achieve using paintless dent repair. Here it is outside of natural light reflections to show how crisp and clean we were able to get this. We were able to save the factory finish, save the factory body panel without having to have fillers or anything like that done to it. This is another high quality repair performed at a high level using paintless dent repair.